Hello friends, welcome to Office Platforms. Santosh this side. In VBA, message boxes are a commonly used tool for displaying important information or prompting the user about the inputs. The traditional message boxes provided by VBA offer a standard look and functionality. However, if you are looking to add a touch of personalization and creativity to your VBA projects, you can create a customized message box using shapes. Let's see how the traditional message box looks like. This is the traditional message box that appears when the user is prompted. So over here, it is a welcoming message for the person who is accessing the file, wherein we just have a standard notification stating hello friends, welcome to Office Platforms. If I click OK, it goes off. But if I look at the one which I have created using shapes, this is how it looks. So let us see how this can be created. Let us start creating the message box first. For that, let us go to Insert, click on Shape, select the rectangular shapes, and then create it. Select and then go to Shape Fill, select as gray, and then select the present model as in the format of present one over here, and then let us add a text to it. Now to make it more dynamic, I am using the text option over here. The text would be hello friends, welcome to Office Platforms. And I click over here, increase the shape, it should be fine, and click on the white part, and then I will add another circular icon to showcase what type of message is it. For me, this is the information, so I will write as I, increase the font, center align it, and bold, and then click it over here, shape format. Let us change the shape fill to blue, light blue, shape effect, again the same format. Let us copy this and paste it over here. Let us decrease the size of it, and then change it to X. And then we have, let's change the color of this one. Shape format, shape fill, red. Let us change this color a bit more vibrant. Shape fill, let us give this more blue, red. Done, this is done, and now we have to give it a button. Shapes, button. Okay. Here, let us center align it again. Okay, and even give this effect also, and give it a rounded one. Okay, sorry. Perfect. This one and this one. Let us center align it. Align, center. Perfect. Now let us group all these shapes into one, and then we can use the macros over here. Let us give this group as box, just a box, or a M box. You can say M box. Okay. Now let us create the buttons. In developer, insert button over here. That's right. The first code for it, it will be, since it is the active sheet, where we can certify it as active sheet. Active sheet dot shapes. This is the shapes groups dot range and array mbox, the name of the shape that we assigned it to it, comma visible equal to 2. Okay, this will, when we click on it, this message box will be popped up. Okay, this will come up. Now let us give creative code to close it also. Okay, sub, let us write sub, let us close box, paste this, and give that false. So when we click it, the visible property is enabled to false. Close it, click this one, right click, assign macro, close box, okay, assign macro, close box. Done. Let's see if it works. See, it gone. And if we click it, it comes out. Clicks out, and it goes out. But over here, there is a small problem. If you see over here, the person and user can have the access to change the position of this box, okay, and the user can have the access to edit it. But if you look at the normal box that is available over here by the system, okay, right, hello, if I click OK, see, we do have the option, but the person is not able to edit it. So how do we get that uneditable property? For that, we have to protect the screen when the button is clicked on, when the message box pops up, and we have to unprotect the sheet when we close the box. So let us see how we can do that. And before writing over this code, let us assign a variable bin password and string. Let us assign password is equal to, say, hello. I'm assigning hello as the password, and then once it is visible, let us protect the sheet. If sheet dot protect, we will assign this password. Okay. Okay. Now let's see if it works. And before that, let us copy this. Okay, this thing. Copy module, paste. Again, come back over here. Copy this. Same thing. Let's save our time over here. Nothing much. And then if I come over here and copy this, and then instead of protect, write unprotect. Okay, everything is done. Close it. Let us close this. Click on it over here. See, the person is not able to edit it. Even the person is not able to move the position of it. So the moment he closes it, the associate or the end user to have the access to create it. Okay, this is how we can create a customized message box. It will definitely give you a cutting edge on how to showcase your message box, then keeping it in line with your project or the project's theme. Okay, thank you.